Right, it's Christmas. I wasn't actually going to do a video today because well, it's Christmas. I haven't really done a lot, to be quite honest. But what I have done is finish the machining on this. This is all jobs that I've done already on the other battery pod, so it doesn't really seem that much point in putting them on the video. But the thing is, I did say I'd do one video a week, so I'd hate for you to miss out. So this is basically what I've been doing today. So I did another run on this, another weld bead. I just wasn't happy with it. I felt as if I had a little bit of undercut. Well, I did have a bit of undercut, so I've gone for another run. I just went another weave over the top of that, so it's perhaps got a little bit more weld than it needs, but I prefer more than not enough. Finished the machining on this side using the Acme clamping tool holding thing. I've just got a little bit of a lip there, which I'm just going to have to break off. I thought I was done with this, but I took it off and just filed off these edges. And when I took it off, there's still some chatter on there. I'm not happy with it. It's not terrible, and it doesn't look too bad, I think, from a camera perspective, but there is... I can definitely feel it. I'm not happy with it. So we're back to the dreaded chatter problems. So I'm just going to see what I can do. I've had to put it back on, which is never good. That means I've got to skim it again. But I think I'm almost back to where we were. So I'm going to give it a try. Going down to 0, and the x-axis I've zeroed it off just at the point where it touches the jaws. So that one's done now. I wasn't happy with it before, I had too much chatter, and now that's a really good finish. So that one is complete. I've got to put the tabs on to there, and the same on that now. So that's the next job. Carry on. And then once we get battery pod 2 made, I think we'll be getting somewhere then, and we're ready to lift and put them on. Things will start moving.